As we have covered many topics, colors, and counting, and so many topics are there. Today I have decided to work on sentences as well, and how to use Urdu in our normal conversation. For this I have made a conversation, a little bit conversation between two people, and I have kept a fictitious name A and B. So A says Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. And the B says Wa alaikum assalam. Next the A asks, how are you? तुम्हारा क्या हाल है? For you we will write तुम्हारा क्या हाल है, or we can write तुम कैसे हो, तुम या आप कैसे हो. Right? And the B will answer, I'm fine. मैं हूँ, am, मैं ठीक. Fine is ठीक, मैं ठीक हूँ. What is, then A will ask, what is your name? तुम्हारा क्या नाम है? तुम्हारा या आपका क्या नाम है? आपका क्या नाम है? मीन, ओके. नाम है, मीन, okay. And the B will answer, my name is whatever you want to write. मेरा नाम dash, or whatever your name is. Okay, and then he will ask the other person, and what is your name? और आपका क्या नाम है? आपका, तुम्हारा क्या नाम है? And the other person will ask, मेरा नाम dash है. And the A will say is next, nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई. आप से मिलकर, to meet you, बहुत खुशी हुई. And the B will answer, मुझे भी, मीम जीम ये दो चश्मी है, मुझे भी. So I hope it would be easier for you to pick this lesson as well. I tried to make it more simpler and more easier for you. Hope you will learn it. Jazakallahu khairan kaseeran.